Hello everyone, I am Natalia and welcome to this session. In this session, we will explore object-oriented programming in a clear and practical way using both C++ and Python. We will try to cover all the concepts in depth, showing how they work in both the languages. So let's get started. At first, you might be wondering why should we learn both C++ and Python? So basically, C++ gives you a strong foundation and a deep understanding of low-level OOP mechanisms, while Python allows you to apply those concepts quickly and efficiently in real-world projects. So in this course, we will try to cover both. We will first cover C++ thoroughly to build a solid base, and then we will switch to Python to see how the same concepts are applied. Learning both will make you a versatile and confident programmer. We will follow a structured course outline covering everything from classes, objects to inheritance, polymorphism, and advanced topics. These are the 9 topics that we will be covering. First topic would be Introduction to Object-Oriented Programming. We will understand what OOP really means, how it is different from procedural language, how classes and objects bring structure and reusability to code, and we will learn about basic class design, defining member functions, and we will understand objects and the 4 pillars of OOP. Next, we will discuss constructors, destructors, and object lifecycle. We will explore how objects are created and destroyed, understand the constructors and destructors, and learn how memory works behind the scenes in C++. Next, we will see the functions and object interaction. You will see how objects are passed to and returned from the functions. What are static data members and functions? What are constant functions and arguments? We will learn about this pointer and array of objects. Then we will discuss the copy semantics and operator overloading. We will discuss copy constructors, shallow and deep copy, the difference between each, and we will learn how to overload operators including unary, arithmetic, comparison, and assignment operators. Then we will switch to advanced class relationships. You will learn about friend functions, association, aggregation, and composition, and how they define relationship between the classes. Then we will learn about inheritance and polymorphism. You will dive into inheritance, function overriding, virtual functions, polymorphism, exploring abstract classes and interfaces. Next topic would be file handling and templates. We will see how to read and write objects to file. We will understand the difference between binary and text mode for file handling, and we will explore templates for generic programming. And we will also discuss C++ standard template library, the STL, and its related concepts like vectors, containers, iterators, and algorithms. Then we will transition to Python. Once our OOP foundation is strong in C++, we will switch to Python, covering basics, variable declarations, data types, functions, loops, and other related fundamental concepts. Finally, we will implement all the object-oriented programming concepts in Python: classes, constructors, inheritance, operator overloading, polymorphism, and would try to directly compare how the same ideas translate between the two languages. So by the end of this course, you will not only understand object-oriented programming inside and out, but also think in objects, no matter what programming language you use next. Thanks for watching. If you want to keep learning object-oriented programming with C++ and Python, please don't forget to subscribe and join me for the next session. Keep learning, keep coding, and I'll see you in the next session.